Hi, my name is Edgar Lamo, and if you would like to learn how to create your favorite restaurant style dishes from the comfort of your home, then keep watching and I will try and show you these recipes in a way that is quick and easy. Let's do this. So I'm making Samosa Pockets, usually known as Manda. My intention is to make 30 Samosa Pockets. So what I did, I took 2 cups of ajab flour. I find that ajab gives me a better product every single time. And I went in with some cold water, did my first mixing in this bowl, and then I turned it over on my work table, and I think I have a bit of a soft consistency at this point, but I want it a bit stiffer. So don't be afraid to go in with a little bit more flour, just like this. Okay, and when this is done, I am gonna keep it aside, let it rest for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how to make the pastries. So keep watching. And it's nice and even. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it over to my work table like that. So like I said, I need about 30 or so Samosa Pockets. So this is what I'm gonna do, because each piece of pastry produces about 4 Samosa Pockets. So I'm gonna do maybe like 7. Yeah, 7 pastries. That comes to about, is it 28? There we go. So there you have it. I ended up getting like 8 bowls instead of 7. That's okay. So how do you roll them? Okay, so first thing you do, take the dough, press it, get a nice sort of like circle shape, and spread it out like that with your rolling pin. Okay, something about that size. I don't know how big that is. About 4 inches in diameter. Yeah, good. Now we have rolled out all the 8 balls. This is just cooking oil. Okay, so put like a teaspoon on all these circles that we've made, except the last 2. I'll show you why. Okay, so use your fingers to spread out this oil all over this pastry. Make sure that it's even all the way through. So just go like that. Just be gentle with the pastry. Like that. And then we're gonna start stacking them. Okay, nice and even. Okay, that was easy enough. Start stacking. Let's do 2 stacks. Okay, make sure the pastries are aligned like that. So this is the first stack, like that. Second stack. Now you see why we didn't put oil on the last pieces of pastry, because they go on top. Okay, now let's take one stack and spread it out. Now remember, while you're doing this, your pan should be heating up. Okay, so pat it down, make sure that they are aligned like that. Flour. So you want this pastry to move freely on your working table. Yeah, so don't be afraid to use a lot of flour to dust. It's not going to affect your pastry negatively in the end. Okay. Make sure you get something like 10 inches diameter like that, or 12. Okay, spread it out, but just be very gentle while you're doing this. Good. Now I'm gonna move it to my pan. Go. So it's okay if it goes all the way to the end. Okay, no problem with that. So let it heat up. Don't be in a rush. Get something to put your pastries on. This is the last flip, and now we can attempt to separate the pastry. So the first one has a bit of a hole in it. That's fine. So don't worry if one or two pastries don't make it. You can always turn them into crackers, like nacho chips and stuff like that. So here you go. So the last two. It tends to get kind of hot, so it's something you will have to get used to if you like doing samosas from home. So last two, just like that. Next thing you do is you cut them into quarters, just like that. Cut them all the way through. And then what we're going to do, I'll show you. You trim the edges. Make sure you trim the edges so that you get a nice even pastry. Now what I like to do with these is when I'm done frying the samosas, I will fry these and use them as crackers. Okay, so samosa, how do you make the pocket? The idea is Yeah, take these two ends of your samosa and make them overlap like that. Okay, easy enough. Let's try it. So you're gonna take your index finger, put some glue halfway down the side, this edge, and just put them together like that and pull. Okay, so you have a pocket. Fill it with about 2 tablespoons of samosa mix. Okay. And then just fold the pastry like that, and you have a samosa. Just make sure the edges are completely glued together. No holes, nothing. See that? Perfect samosa. Let's do all these. So, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. So, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time. See you.